Umuthi ariguo muthenya wa muthia wa ciana cia kirathi gĩa form 1 kuingira thukuru-iria metitwo, Minister wa ihinda wa githomo Fred Matiang'i niaruguririe kambi-ini mwena wa gicua-ini ya kuibaibia namba ya arutwo aria maraingira form 1 iria kwa ihinda riri rugamire gicunjĩ kĩa 50 harĩ 100 ona thutha wa ihinda riri kuongererwo. Akiaria thutha wa gutabania mucemanio wa mathaa 5 na atongoria kaunti cia kuma gicua-ini o undu umwe na anene a githomo, Matiang'i niaugire ati kambi-ini ino iria iretwo peleka mtoto shuleni ikwambĩrĩria oryo na igutabanio nyumba kwa nyumba nginyagia muthenya wa Jumamothi makienda kumenya gitumi kiria kigiritie ciana itwarwo thukuru.
We have agreed that we are going to have an operation to peleke watoto shule in Coast, which starts today. Regional Commissioner to the Assistant Chief, working with local county leadership to move around villages, starting with going to the primary schools where these children did their KCP, to find out from the primary schools where are those children.
Matiang'i niaugite ndakenetie ni namba nini ya arutwo aria maraingira kirathi gĩa form 1 ona thengia ya thirikari kumahuthiria murigo wa kuingiria ciana thukuru.
We needed to clarify, actually, our communication on free-day secondary education needed to be clarified even more to the parents through the leaders here. That free-day secondary education means basically that, free, that our children are supposed to walk to school in day schools. They are not supposed to be asked any extra charges.
Mwena-ini wao Governor Salim Mvurya na Granton Saboja ni maugire no muhaka Akiaria gicua-ini macenjie murorere wao wa githomo agikorwo gikiro gia githomo ni gikwambatira.
Ni jukumu letu sisi sote kama wapwani kusisitiza ya kwamba ni lazima tujitahidi, tujikakamue, tubadilishe attitude yetu, tupeleke watoto shuleni.
Wazazi na wadau wote kwamba tushirikiane, tuhakikishe watoto wetu wameweza kwenda shule, kwa sababu elimu peke yake ndiyo inaweza kutusaidia kuweza kumudu changamoto zote za kimaisha.
Ningi Matiang'i niarutire mukana kuri arutani anene iguru rĩgiĩ gwitia aciari mbeca akiuga thirikari ni rugamĩrĩire. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Njuguna.